Every year for the holidays, I have to make these Buñuelos de Viento. I made them Christmas color because it's Christmas. They are deep fried, nice and golden, and then dipped in some cinnamon and sugar. These are absolutely addicting. I love these. You can have these with champurrado or whatever you like. Let me show you how I made it. In a bowl, I'm adding some flour along with some salt, some baking powder, and some sugar. I'm going to whisk that together, and then I'm just going to set this aside and get my wet batter ready. For that, I have 4 cups of whole milk, and I'm adding some eggs, vanilla extract, and some melted unsalted butter. Gonna give that a good whisk. You want to make sure that egg has broken up. After that, I'm going to start adding my flour mixture. I'm going to do this in parts. So I'm going to add a little bit, whisk it, and then add a little bit more, and then whisk it again until I have finished all my flour. When you have mixed this all together, your batter is going to resemble like pancake batter. I'm going to separate this, and then for the coloring, I'm going to use red and green. You can definitely just leave this plain, but I happen to like the Christmas colors, red and green. Once I'm done mixing all that, I'm going to let these rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil to 350 degrees, drop the rosette into the oil, take off the excess, and then you're going to dip it into your batter, making sure that you don't go over. If you do, it's going to stick to the rosette. Once you dip it into the oil, it should come right out. I'm going to be working in batches, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to leave my rosette in the oil. And for the next batches, then I'll just take it out and take off the excess and dip it again. You're gonna fry these until golden brown on both sides. You're gonna do the same with the red batter. And once they have deep fried, you don't want to burn these. So you want to make sure that your oil stays at 350 to 360 degrees. Once I'm done, I got all of these. You're going to get about 60 or 70 buñuelos with this recipe. I was like, oh my God, this batter doesn't even finish, but I got it all done. And here I just mixed some sugar with some cinnamon. You could leave these plain if you want. Start dipping them and then just placing them wherever you want. Remember that this recipe does make a lot of these buñuelos. If you don't want that much, then just half the recipe. I also made some with red and green together. I absolutely love that color. I ended up having to put some somewhere else because, like I said, was way too much. Look how delicious they look. These buñuelos come out so crispy, flaky, and with that cinnamon and sugar, it was delicious. Have these with champurrado, some hot chocolate, whatever you like. This is an easy recipe, it's super delicious. Make these for the holidays. I have to make these every year. We enjoy these with some champurrado. Make these for the holiday season. Enjoy.